Okay, welcome back, guys, once again. So, today I want to show you how you can create a logo using this website called Bing. So, let's say you have a company we want to create a logo for. So, I've done a little research on how you can just use this particular website, generate presentable logo that you can actually even go as far as possible to mock them up, present it on a 3D nice design. So, without much wasting much of our time, let's get started. Go to your Chrome browser. When you get there, then you search Bing Image Creator. Tap on the first link at the top. Then what do you need to do? If you are entering here for the first time, you need to register. It's free. So after that, we need to come up with a prompt. A prompt is a description of what you actually want to create. Okay, so let's say we have that company like a truck company, tow truck company. So we want to create a logo for it. So we can say logo design for a tow truck company called, so let's say called Tropical Towing. So we say which type of a logo? Minimalist. So we tap on create. So let's see the result. So in less than few seconds, we can come up with this. So let's see the result. Perfect. Boom. You can see. So we can come up with this amazing logo. You just need to tap them one after the other. Then you save the one you want. You can regenerate as much as possible. Depends on the coin given to you. And we are good to go. Boom. And that is how to come up with. And you can give it any kind of a prompt. So let's say, for instance, we want to say a pure water, or let's say a bottled water company. Bottled water company. So call only water. Minimalistic. So let's try that again. So I was just ransacking my brain to, let's see whether this works. So you can use this kind of a prompt, depends, and come on. You see, perfect, perfect. Then you can just make sure you copy, download them one after the other. It's just as simple as that. So thanks for watching, guys. God bless you.